Yeah, I can't believe I.
That looks good.
Yep.
Finish enjoying the site.
Thanks, man. You guys take care. Yes, sir. Thank you. Police officers just telling me that the guy had their eye out for me, but this is LaGrange Crane Company here. They are bringing this HVAC down from the roof of 63 East Lake Street. And right there is brand new HVAC equipment to go up. But this is what happens in the city of Chicago. They got to get a crane out here to move equipment up and down. So, lifting new HVAC to the roof of 63 East Lake. This is not a fast process here, but I'll keep it going for the whole round here. So just lifting to the top of that building right there. You would not believe how many people are standing around watching this right now. I thought something was falling down the crane when that jet flew by. But this is the process right here. It's not a fast process. They've got so many workers out here. They have to break this crane down tonight, so these workers are going to be out here all night long. But it's pretty fascinating to watch this process. All right, coming down with another HVAC unit. Got one sitting right next to me, brand new, ready to go up. Again, this is not an extremely fast process. These guys plan to have this crane broken down by now, so this project is costing somebody some money because they had issues with the crane last night and they had to call some guy from Germany, I guess, get him in contact with them to fix the crane because it's made in Germany apparently. So anyway, so this HVAC unit is coming down. I think they're gonna try to they're setting it on this truck right here. So this is coming down. So there's the old and the new unit right there. No, they're setting it on the street. Alright, this is the second of 3 lifts. This is LaGrange Crane Company. Downtown Chicago on Lake Street. Have the crane in the middle of the street. Such a slow process.